Hello, thanks for joining us. Here at HSS, we have Longwave infra-red ceramic heaters. These are designed to produce dry, radiant heat in commercial spaces where continuous warmth is needed at comfortable levels. You may hear our Longwave products referred to as ceramic heaters. That's because heat is generated via two 1400 watt ceramic elements attached to the front of this heavy duty device, rather than by the infrared source itself. As its name suggests, Longwave infrared produces less rigorous wavelengths that reduce heat intensity, resulting in a long, comforting warmth that's easily absorbed by our skin. This makes them perfect for industrial environments. HSS Longwave products are available in either 110 volts or 240 volts, depending on the size of space you're trying to heat. However, both varieties plug into a standard 13 amp power socket. You'll also notice there's no fan or moving parts on this heater, which makes it a solid, space-saving device that's more economical. The best part is, all you need to do is click the on button and away you go. Once the device shows the illuminated warning sign, you'll have the power to control each element independently, producing a maximum of 3 kilowatts of heat. For more information about Longwave heaters and to find our latest prices, head over to hss.com.